Alright, Miss Sassy, I know there's that thread out about posting your voice or posting a video. I'm going to take it a step further. Voice, video, but also music. I'm going to beat all of you. Alright, let's do it. First off, my gratitude to Cool Maddie. I've nothing but admiration for your sight. Second, fuck nigh. He's like 14. Looks like somebody I could potentially fight. Speak your name and apply some racist shit. And F-Falls, how did you get so fit? Jedi Kirby doesn't come on nearly enough anymore. And Alex Senior, you're nothing more than an attention-seeking whore. Michael McFarlane, you seem so arrogant and rude. And bacon fish, fucking Scottish dude. Squirrel King, you're irrelevant on rude. And MD, why don't you eat some food? And hey, Croc and Allen, you guys are ugly as shit. I don't think Couchman or Deadman has ever actually seen a clip. Hey, Green Boy and Ranga, what it is you proclaim you do. And hey, them and Ted, don't know what to say to you. Roger Spruce, I'm pretty sure has committed rape. I think it was Cloud and Tibby. He made him wear a Batman cowl and cape. We associate Kubi with a neckerchief like Fred. And Gekk is this weird guy who just never seems to leave his bed. Where is Wookie? Somebody make sure he's not dead. It's been a while since he made me smile with an offensive thread. And also, fuck him on, he looks like a guy that has downs. Thank you for all your attention. If anyone didn't get put in the song, I don't want to hear any bitching. You know, maybe one day in the future, I'll get around to writing that grand Miss Sassy musical I always dreamed of, modeled after the road movies. In particular, On the Road to Morocco, Bob Hope and Bing Crosby. Bing hilariously sells Bob into slavery. It's a good one. I'll see you guys there.